Hi, and welcome to video 3 for section 1.7. I'm going to be honest with you. I always try to be straightforward with you. If I was writing this book, this part would not be in here. I guess they put it in because it's using an inequality, but quite frankly, it's not really important information here. I'm not going to give you a question like this on the exam, probably not going to be one on the final like this. But it's in there, there's homework on it, so we'll address it, we'll do it. And it's about the relation between Fahrenheit and degrees Fahrenheit and degrees Celsius. So you're like, what? I thought we were doing inequalities in this section. We are. We're going to look at a word problem that has to do with the inequalities. But the relationship is as follows. Our degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 times the degrees Celsius plus 32. And our degrees Celsius is 5/9 times Fahrenheit minus 32. So let's look at a quick example. So we have medicine is to be stored at a temperature between 5 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. What range is this on the Fahrenheit scale, degrees Fahrenheit scale? So, again, even though we're not dealing with this much in this class, you might deal with this in your job. So I know a lot of nursing students have to take this class. Maybe you get a medicine in shipment and it says has to be stored between 5 degrees and 30 degrees Celsius. Well, maybe you don't have a conversion there and you need to know, all right, what does this have to be Fahrenheit-wise? This is how you would do it. So we have what? We have that the temperature has to be between 5 and 30 degrees Celsius. So now I'm going to use substitution. Well, I have what? I have Celsius is equal to this guy. So I'm just going to substitute this in here. So I have 5/9 Fahrenheit minus 32. So this thing has to be between 5 and 30. And now we solve this like we saw in one of our original original inequality problems. So we're going to do what? To get Fahrenheit by itself, I need to multiply everything by 9/5. So when I do that, what happens here? The 5's cancel, I get 9. These guys cancel out. So I'm left with Fahrenheit minus 32 in the middle. And then here, 5 cancels with 30, I get 6. 6 times 9 is 54. And then lastly, to get Fahrenheit by itself, I need to add 32 everywhere. So when I do that, 9 plus 32 is 41. Fahrenheit left in the middle. 54 plus 32 is 86. So that means this medicine has to be between 41 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's it. Again, I guess put this on your cheat sheet so if you need it for a quick reference. As I said, I'm not going to make it a highlight of this semester. We have way too much information, way more important things in terms of the scope of this class. But they do put it in here. Want to address it. There we did. We addressed it. If you have questions on it, just let me know in class and we can answer it then. So that's it. That wraps up the videos for section 1.7. Come on back. We'll tackle 1.8.